Both Mighty Networks and Kajabi promise passive income. One delivers it through optimized sales funnels, and the other through members who won't shut up about each other. Kajabi and Mighty both power online businesses, but they're solving completely different problems. One is built for marketing funnels and courses, and the other is built for community and connection. Let's look at some of the actual features and differences between the two. So for courses, Kajabi has evergreen courses. So those have live rooms, video content, quizzes, community integration, downloadable resources, what you would expect. They have AI content assistant, so like ChatGPT built into it. Then the live was recently added to go live from an LMS. The recording auto saves. Then there's cohort-based courses where students learn together on a schedule, calendar integrations, video content, community features, downloadable resources, that kind of stuff. So the vibe is a really polished, professional course platform. And though it has live capabilities, it's clearly best for content you want to pre-record and sell on repeat. Mighty is organized differently. It's community first, so it's built around spaces, and each space can have multiple features in it. So if you're building a course, you can have your course beautifully built in, kind of functions like you would expect any course to function. But in the same space, you can also have live classes or a community chat about the course. Similar to Kajabi and honestly most online course platforms, we have an outline generator. So you can say, I want to teach people how to pack for hiking in the northwest around Bellingham. Little robots will go do their thing, and then you go input the real stuff. And you can do pre-recorded content or go live directly into your course. So being able to combine these, it means a course is really flexible. It can act as a challenge with the chat there as well and live classes. The course content lives with community discussion, not separate. So what's the difference for courses in terms of what you can build? Not much. The difference is really what you can build with and around the course. And that's why we need to talk about communities. Courses and memberships go really well together. Everybody is selling them, including a ton of creators on both Mighty and Kajabi. So how do these two compare? Kajabi's Community 2.0, formerly Vibely, was an acquired chat app that was rebranded as Community 2.0, with news feeds, events, chats, live rooms, and circles for organizing discussions. The problem here is that it's all separate from your course content, like literally a different login and a different app. And frankly, really slow loading times, which leads altogether to a really confusing user experience. They may have inherited some of that from Vibely, but that's just how it is at the moment. Kajabi's community feature is an afterthought. On the other hand, Mighty Networks is ranked as G2's #1 community platform, and it shows. The courses are nested inside the most powerful community software on the market. And the fact that any space can have multiple community features in it means it seamlessly combines courses with events and chat and messaging and long-form content, quizzes, live streams, all within one space. And at Mighty, AI is used to build tools specifically for engagement, not producing sloppy content. 84% of posts on a Mighty network are generated by the actual members, versus around 20% on other platforms. That's in addition to 59% of monthly active users returning weekly. So the real kicker here is that Kajabi's community requires two apps, the course app and the community app, and on Mighty, everything's all in one. When we're talking about AI features, let's come back to that statistic. 84% of posts in a Mighty network are generated by the members, not the creator or the host. And the core of that is that Mighty is using AI completely different than Kajabi. Kajabi's AI is built to create content, outlining your course, landing page copy, sales emails. It's basically a ChatGPT wrapper. It's stuff we know AI can do, but is it really that good at it? Mighty's AI is completely built to create engagement and connection. Stuff like auto-generating member profiles or showing things in common with other other people in the community, one-click conversation starters, or members near you, the infinite question generator that allows you to quickly keep your community engaged, gamification, which has streaks, challenges, unlocks, and automations, plus a unique point system that lets members recognize each other for being amazing. This is proprietary AI designed for human connection. Here's where we have to give Kajabi its due, because they have worked hard to build a platform optimized for sales and especially from paid traffic. With their advanced landing pages and site builder, sales funnels that have automated sequences, upsells, downsells, order bumps, their email marketing with visual editor, countdown timers, and video in email, the philosophy is to optimize for paid customer acquisition and putting all of your eggs in that one basket. Mighty has marketing features like landing pages that are clean and functional and easy to build. There's advanced built-in automations for upsells once someone has joined a course or challenge, and it natively integrates with Kit, which is the best-in-class email platform out there. The core philosophy here is organic growth through member referrals, and amazing engagement drives amazing growth. We all know that a friend telling you about something is gonna convert better than an ad. Let's talk about apps for a minute. We mentioned before that Kajabi has 2 apps, but it's actually 3. You have your courses app, you have your community app, and then you have your creator app for the creator to actually manage their business. And this makes the user experience really complicated for both students and creators. They have a DIY branded app available as an add-on. Mighty, on the other hand, has one app for everything: courses, community, events, messaging, and the management of those things. Mighty Pro is the premium branded app with your brand and logo and everything on it, and there have been 500 plus built since 2017. The Mighty app, and therefore the branded apps, get weekly updates, not months between updates like we sometimes see with Kajabi. They have full desktop parity, so you're gonna see the same features and experience on both mobile and desktop. Major brands and creators are putting their name and face on these apps. So there's a lot of details there, but with so many apps on our phone, just having one app for everything feels like a big win. So the whole question we're answering is, which one is right for you? Both have free trials, so go test them out. Kajabi has a 14-day trial where you do have to put in your credit card. Mighty has a 14-day trial, but you don't need to put in your credit card. Kajabi has its strengths for sure. Really great marketing tools. It's a super polished asynchronous course platform. But as far as offering courses goes, Mighty does everything Kajabi does and more in one place. And that's the reason why Mighty has more $1 million communities than any other platform. But if you're interested in building a community, you want live and/or pre-recorded courses, you want to tap into organic growth, members talking to other members, you want a better user experience and world-class apps, and having all of that in one app, really just if you want to be building for long-term reoccurring revenue through relationships, then that is what Mighty has always been building for and will continue to in the future. I mean, look at this quote from a customer who switched from Kajabi. Those are the numbers that show why course and community creators are making the jump to Mighty and why courses and community go so well together. So at the end of the day and the end of this video, you're gonna have to ask yourself, what is your business model? Is it the hero mentality of come watch me and consume my content? Or do you want to become a host who creates a business off of fostering human connection between like-minded people on a similar path? Of course, links are all in the description. Drop your questions or comments below. I personally will answer all of them. And subscribe for more platform breakdowns. We're going to do a few of these. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.